There's always something that needs a little fixing on Farpoint Farms.
Hey guys, it's Eric, owner of Farpoint Farms here in the mountains, North Carolina. Tonight, I wanted to take a look at this. I'll get close to it here. It is the LX200 all-perspective inductions headlight. It's like a foldable, I don't know, I guess they call it induction. They don't call it LED, but it's a band that lights up, and I'm really interested in trying it out for automotive use just because, you know, hands-free. Also, last year I put in ductwork underneath the mobile home that I live in, and this would have been really nice because I did have like a spotlight, but I was constantly having to adjust the angle. And so this kind of wraps around your head and kind of lights up just directly in front of you, which I think is going to be pretty darn cool. And it's USB chargeable, and it says here if you turn it on all the way up, it's 2.5 hour runtime. At 40%, it's 5 hour runtime. There's a little teeny flashlight on the side that runs for 8 hours. And I don't know what the XPE, but 4 hours and 8 hours. So let's try it out. Let's look this thing out. Okay. Yeah, look at that. So it's really, really small. It's just a thin band, totally flexible, which I thought it would not be flexible. I'll be honest with you there. And then on the side here, we do have like a focused beam. Right? And it looks like USB maybe. Oh, no, but in the back here, we got probably our USB charging port. If I can get it over with my fingers, which I can't. There we go. So USB charging port in the back. And then our power on it. Holy smokes. Okay, that's really bright. Adjustable power level. And then we have focus beam low, and off. Wow. That's awesome. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this on my head, and we're going to, I'll adjust the band, put it on my head, and we're going to try it out. We're going to see how well it lights up some stuff in like a working environment. Let's do it. That button. Wow. And so that's probably pretty painful. But looking around in here, oh my gosh, that is so awesome. Yeah, I don't know how well that shows up. Gosh, I don't know how to make that look any better than it does. I'm going to tilt the camera down just so you can see. Here's our normal dark floor. And here's our dark floor lit up. And I mean, it is lit up. It is beautiful. I'm able to see all the little spots that I need to see. Let's try the lower setting. Okay. Definitely usable. Let's see if we can do it with the trunk. I'll try it with the engine. All right, so this should show up a little better. This is black, flat black, and lots of grime, lots of dirt. This is the project car that I'm working on right now. But we'll go ahead and turn it on, and you'll see how well it lights up. And that's just so cool. And this thing weighs nothing. Wow. Man, I'll tell you. Technology. This is really, really cool. Like this was an item that I just wasn't sure if it was going to be worth it or not. There's been a lot of like floodlights, spotlights that I've bought over the years to go on my head that have just not worked out really well. And because this isn't a focused beam, I think is what makes it so different, so perfect. Let me go ahead. I'll turn it on. There's the lower setting. To be honest with you, for maybe camping or reading a book at night, that would work. But for working on cars, I like it to be like surgery. I want it to be as bright as possible. And there's our floodlight. And this is what I say, like when you talk about the side light, a floodlight, or a focused beam like this, like I want to look down here and I can just move my eyes down here, but that spotlight is higher up. So you're constantly having to adjust or do this or that kind of stuff, which is the problem I ran into when I was working underneath the house, was that I was constantly moving my head in weird places to try to get the light where I needed it to go. This cures that. Everything's lit up. I mean, everything is lit up. So let's go ahead and that's the last setting there, the lowest setting for the spotlight. Nice. That's incredible. And this thing, I mean, this thing probably weighs 3 ounces. It's lighter than wearing a baseball cap, though I'm sure you could wear it over a baseball cap or under one if you wanted to. But yeah, I mean, I'm able to look into those places without having to hold the flashlight, so I could use both hands. That's perfect. That is perfect. Holy cow. What a cool toy. What a cool item. Yeah, so I guess that's it for this. This has really been a pleasure to check out, and I want to thank them for sending that to me. Here it is up close if you want to take a look at it. There's the side. There's that flexible material, and again, like, you don't feel it. It's rubberized. You've got elasticity here and an adjustable band. Dude, I would totally get one of these, without a doubt. And of course, you can put this on your left or your right, depending on how you want to have it set up. It's maybe not fashionable, but I don't care. Let me see if I can turn that on again. Now I've got it facing the inside. Yeah, pretty awesome. Actually, not pretty awesome. Totally awesome. I'll give it the totally awesome. Very happy with that. Anyway, that'll do it for today. I'm Eric, the owner of Farpoint Farms. Just getting back into the groove of things. You've been following the channel, gone through some stuff here the last month or two, and so it's taken me a little bit of time to get the ball rolling again. But yeah, I like it, and we'll be working on this beetle here on my other channel very shortly. Take care.